The John Deere 9020 series cab here in the shop. We pulled the SCV controller off for a high flow scraper package kit. So we don't sell many complete cabs. We sold one back in the summer. A guy had a weird rollover, which is odd for these tractors, but mainly we part them out. And unless you have significant issue like the black top, green top, you know, you've hit something. We don't sell just the black top. We don't sell, or the green, we don't sell just the black. We only sell a complete deal. There's just not a lot to sell out of them. But what I wanted to show was wiring harness was on there, so I checked a few prices on them. And a bit shocked when I looked at them. Some of these harnesses are $6,000 and some of them are $13,000. So what we did was made a listing for all 9020s, and I just went through the parts catalog and just entered every single part number. Because one, we have a lot of 20 series cabs that are still standing. That's the way we leave them. And whether those harnesses are unavailable or they're ridiculously priced, you know, that there's some value we're looking for. So what we do on a harness is, one, we leave it complete until we get one sewed. And then we just use Service Advisor process to check, which basically says, you know, you're looking for broke wires or anything that looks bad. But the loom having a bad spot sort of tells you where there could be a bad spot. So this little area here will look over, or I would hope that it got looked over, but you know, it gets looked over a little bit better, a little harder. These would all come off of tractors that were running and driving because they didn't have a cab fire. And there's a bunch of serial number breaks on these, so your tractor serial number will be important. And also your cab serial number will be important. So this is not going to be something where you can just call up and say, yeah, I see you got this, you know, I need it. This is going to be something that we're going to have to work with you on to make sure we get you the correct, or one, that we start with the correct serial number range based on what you already have and based off what we have. Then that's also how the pricing would be established. So right now, we just got a generic $5,000 price on there. We're not saying that every harness is that price, but that way, well, one, we have a price, and we can come down, it's hard to go up type deal, right? So anyway, not very special or pretty cab, but as long as the harness is good, we warranty all of our electrical pieces for 6 months. And on a harness, you know, once you put it on and it works, there's not much that'll go wrong with it. So if we can help you out, let us know.